Let's transform 6 circles into funny little birds that follow the order of the color wheel. Begin by making 6 golf ball sized circles across your paper. You can use a shape to help. Notice it's about the size of the palm of your hand. And as you draw, don't worry if the circle isn't perfect. You can remove the circle and then finish drawing the shape on your own. You might even freehand some circles. Just make sure you're trying to fit 6 across your paper. Some might be taller or shorter, but make sure you have 6. Now we're going to get creative and add beaks, eyes, feathers, wings, feet, and tweets to each circle. When I say tweets, I mean draw some music notes. It'll look like your birds are singing. You might even find ways to make it look like your birds are wiggling or dancing. That was fun. Now it's time to review the 3 primary colors. Red, yellow, and blue mix in different ways to make the secondary colors. Red and yellow make orange, yellow and blue make green, and blue and red make purple, or you can say violet. One way to remember the order of the colors is ROYGBV. It's a phrase. R stands for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, and so on. As you fill in each bird carefully, remember to follow the order of colors so that you can remember what two primary colors make the secondary colors. If you start with red, then just imagine what would be next to it. Let's remember ROYGBV. First would come red, and then next would be orange. After that would be yellow, because red and yellow make orange. That's why the secondary color is in between the two primaries. Have fun exploring ways to add color to your bird. You can use watercolor and you can try mixing, or you can just paint them, or use crayon, color pencil, marker. Use whatever works for you. But most importantly, have fun.